Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to compare ClickUp and GoHighLevel, two powerhouse platforms but built for very different kinds of users. I'll walk you through their features, pricing, user experience, integrations, customer support and more. By the end of this video you'll know which platform fits your workflow best. First off, let's talk about what these tools are designed for. ClickUp is a productivity and project management tool. It's built for teams that want to organize tasks, track projects, and collaborate more efficiently. You'll find it especially useful if you're in software development, marketing, operations, or any business that juggles multiple workflows. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is made specifically for digital agencies. It combines CRM, email marketing, funnel building, appointment booking, call tracking, and white label solutions, all in one platform. It's less about task management and more about client acquisition, automation, and running an agency at scale. Now, let's dig into the features. ClickUp is highly customizable and lets you create tasks, subtasks, Gantt charts, docs, forms, dashboards, and even goal tracking. It's flexible enough for both solo users and large teams. Automation, recurring tasks, and time tracking come built in. GoHighLevel takes a completely different approach. It's basically a one-stop shop for client management. You get drag and drop funnel builders, automated email and SMS campaigns, sales pipelines, calendar bookings, surveys, and even the ability to build your own SaaS. It also allows agencies to create sub-accounts for each client, complete with their own CRM and automations. When it comes to user experience, ClickUp works well for teams that need both structure and flexibility. At first, the interface might feel a bit overwhelming because there are so many features, but after you get everything set up, it's easy to stay organized. On the other hand, GoHighLevel can be harder to learn, especially if you're new to it. That's because it tries to replace lots of tools all at once. But for experienced marketers and agency owners, the design feels natural once you've got it figured out. Next up, integrations. ClickUp works with over 1,000 tools like Slack, Google Drive, Zoom, and GitHub. You can also set up automated workflows using Zapier or connect through ClickUp's built-in API. On the other hand, GoHighLevel doesn't focus on connecting with a ton of tools. Instead, it tries to do everything on its own. Even so, it still works with webhooks, Twilio for SMS, Mailgun for email, and Zapier to connect to other platforms. Now, let's talk about their pricing. ClickUp has a free forever plan, but it comes with limited features. The unlimited plan costs $10 per user each month, and the business plan is $19 per user each month. For bigger needs, there's the enterprise plan with custom pricing. On the other hand, GoHighLevel starts at $97 per month for the basic account. The agency unlimited plan is $297 and the SaaS Pro version is $497 per month. Pro version includes custom client billing and white labeling, making it a great option for advanced users. So, which platform is the right choice for you? If you need a flexible task and project management system for your team or business, ClickUp is the clear winner. It's scalable, customizable, and easy to adapt across industries. But if you run a marketing agency and need to handle CRM, funnels, automation, and client reporting all in one tool, GoHighLevel is built exactly for that. Alright, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.